Hello everyone, Mark here again. Sorry for the lack of videos, I've just been really busy of late. This video is today going to be about my stash for 2019. Hopefully you like it, and what we'll do, we'll go through a couple of things of like the product and what we're going to do for the future as well. Right guys, you're going to have to pardon me, I've got a new camera so I'm trying to get used to it a little bit. So as you can see, this is where all my fireworks start, and that's where they finish up top as well. So I've got 10 oriental stars, which I'm hopefully going to end up putting in like a fan shape and linking them all together with some quick views. I've got the Perfect 10 by Gold Label. That is the best pack of fireworks you're going to buy for your money. Hands down, the best assortment of effects, of breaks, of noise. I just can't fault it, and I can't recommend it enough. So if you can, get on them. The fireworks shop in Preston sells them, and he's got a 9-pack as well. So whatever your budget, this will give you a show to remember. So moving swiftly on from that, I've got my favourite firework of this year is called Motherload. It's nice fan effects. It's on a 25-degree angle of your actual firing range. So that is just going to fill up the sky nice for you. It's going to give you great effects, and it'll be a nice lead up to your actual finale. So just over this side, I've got the Celtic 6-pack. So again, great value for money. I can't fault it. This is $44.99 again from the Fireworks shop in Preston. So that I've just got that purely for the fact so it can give me a bit of fill, and I can accent some of the stuff from the Perfect 10 pack. In the middle I've got the Galactic Power. Again, I'm going to end up trying to fan them and linking them together just to give us like a bit of a half moon type spread in the sky, give some effect in the background of it all. The Ritzy Razzle Dazzle is a new one actually. I've never had this before. So Wayne from the actual fireworks shop, he's asked me to do a little cover video on that and on Blue Moon, so I will get round to doing that. I've got up here a long fountain for the start of my show, just to prolong it a little bit. I think it's just a standard gold shower and willow type style, to be fair. I've got Miner's Revenge here, which is just a dump cake, a massive mine, and it'll basically just be my finale. It's absolutely unreal when it's all in the sky. So that's got nice breaks, nice willows. It's a nice colour, nice bright gold. It'll fill the sky nice enough, and it'll also give you that nice lead up towards your finale too. Right, I've got these from JTF, these Stratosphere Pulse. I've got 2 of them. And 2 packs of Master Blasters. And the Master Blaster rockets I've had for past 4 years, and they're possibly one of the best 1.3 rockets you can get. And this cost me 30 quid, and you get, I think it's 30 rockets or 15 rockets it is actually. I got them on a deal, luckily enough. I was signed up with the actual JTF firm, and they sent across a flyer, and I got both of these for 50 quid, where realistic, I think these should normally cost you 70 quid, so luckily enough I saved 20 quid. Not a big deal, but it gave me that 20 quid to be able to get these Stratosphere Pulses. So I'm going to be putting them on an angle either side, which I'll be trying to make a video on later this week, hopefully, to be able to show you how to make a solid rack for your actual Roman candles. So yeah, this is pretty much everything I've got. I won't be investing in anything else this year. I'll just be making as is. Oh, these rockets here in the middle as well, these are Celtic as well, so I like the Celtic brand. I can't fault the Celtic brand. It's basically, it's professional stuff. That's the best way of me describing it. It's as if you are having a full-on professional display in your back garden. they will basically reenact shells. That's how good of rockets they are. Again, they're from Firework Shop in Preston. He's got all of this in stock still, I believe, minus these two on this left hand side. Everything is still in stock. So if you want any of this product, get in touch with him. If I remember how to do it, I'll throw a link in the description for his shop and his Facebook page. But my previous displays, if you've seen it on YouTube already, they are from the actual Firework Shop as well. So it just shows you the calibre and the quality of the stuff that he sells. But I'm over the moon with this year's stuff. Not as big as what it was last year, or the year before, should I say. But you don't need it to have loads and loads and loads when you just get one of these bad boys. That'll just be a show in itself. If you're on a budget, if you've got a £150 budget, something like that, £130 budget, that's the box you want. That is what you want. Right guys, that's my video. That's for 2019 stash of fireworks for myself. As I said, I'm going to try and do a couple more videos coming up soon, hopefully before the 5th. What I'll do, I'll get a video up of how to make me racks, how I'm going to support all my fireworks. I've got a really cool way I'm going to do that this year. One way that I've never seen before on YouTube or anywhere else, to be quite honest. So I'll let you in on that insight. I'll do a setup video as well, and then eventually I'll get round to posting the actual video of the show also. So guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. If you like the video, please subscribe. Like the video also. Why wouldn't you if you like it anyway? And also, if you wouldn't mind going like on my Facebook page, it's MDC Fireworks. I'll throw a link in the description for Wayne's shop as well if you're interested in getting any of his products. And I'd also put a link in for his Facebook page also. So thanks again guys, and hopefully see you in the next video.